Mastering Grammar and Punctuation for GRE's Analytical Writing. Hello, dear learners. Welcome to today's session where we dive into improving grammar and punctuation for the GRE's Analytical Writing. Enhancing these skills can boost your score and clarity of expression. Let's dive in. Grammar is the backbone of any language. It ensures that your message is conveyed correctly and clearly. Punctuation, on the other hand, aids in giving your sentence the right tone and pace. For the GRE, errors in these areas can lead to a lower score. But don't fret. With some focus and practice, you can master these skills. 1. Subject-verb agreement. Ensure that the subject and verb in your sentence match in number. 2. Incorrect. The team are playing well. 3. Correct. The team is playing well. 4. Misplaced modifiers. Position your modifiers next to the word they are describing. 5. Incorrect. She almost drove her kids to school every day. 6. Correct. She drove her kids to school almost every day. 7. Parallelism. Maintain a consistent structure in your sentence. 8. Incorrect. She likes dancing, to sing, and reading. 9. Correct. She likes dancing, singing, and reading. 1. Commas. Use them to separate elements in a series or to set off introductory elements. 2. Example. In the morning, she went to the market, bought some fruits, and returned home. 3. Semicolons. Use them to connect closely related independent clauses. 4. Example. It rained heavily. Therefore, the event was postponed. 5. Apostrophes. Use them for contractions or to show possession. 6. Examples. It is, going to rain. Anna's book. 7. Colons. Use them before a list or an explanation that is preceded by a clause that can stand alone. 8. Example. There are 3 colors to choose from: red, blue, and green. 1. Practice regularly. Like any skill, practice makes perfect. Dedicate time daily to practice grammar and punctuation exercises. 2. Read aloud. Sometimes, hearing a sentence can help you catch mistakes more easily. 3. Use grammar tools. While not perfect, tools like grammar checkers can aid in pointing out your mistakes. That wraps up our deep dive into grammar and punctuation for the GRE's Analytical Writing. Remember, consistent practice and an attentive ear are your best allies. We hope this session has provided valuable insights. Happy studying, and best of luck on your GRE journey.